us, but we unfortunately just finished work. We didn't bring them some food. Bet he's a bit disappointed, but anyway, we'll plan it next time. We'll bring some food for them. She came all the way for me, so excited. Thought that I brought something for him, but unfortunately I just finished work. It's early in the morning. It's only coming to 8 a.m. in the morning. We're in Stanley Park. So you knew the pond. Look at it. It's cute, isn't it? It's nice and peaceful here, guys. Nice and peaceful. It's lovely, lovely, lovely actually. Let's go the other side. There's quite a few of them. But I feel